A Japanese forest, a wooden mallet, and a technique that has been used for 800 years.
Zero strengths. 48 hours after the hammer strike, mushrooms begin emerging from the log surface. Not one or two. Lentinula edodes, Shiitake, is the second most consumed mushroom on Earth after the button mushroom. 800 million kilograms are produced every year. Every shiitake mushroom visible above the log surface is the fruiting body, the reproductive structure of a fungal organism. This is how shiitake has been grown in Japan for 800 years. Not in a factory, not in a bag of sawdust.
In the wild, Lentinula edodes grows only on the dead and decaying wood of broadleaf trees.
Lentinula edodes digests wood through enzymatic chemistry that took millions of years to evolve. The white threads visible inside a colonized oak log are mycelium, the true body of the Lentinula edodes organism.
In a Japanese temperate forest, Lentinula edodes plays a critical ecological role.
Lentinula edodes evolved in the temperate broadleaf forests of East Asia, the mountain forests of China, Japan, and the earliest written record of deliberate shiitake cultivation appears in a Chinese agricultural text from 1209. Today, shiitake is cultivated in three distinct ways. Traditional Japanese forest log cultivation. Oita Prefecture in Kyushu produces more traditional log-cultivated shiitake than any other region in Japan.
January. The Kyrkoserata Konara oak trees of Oita Prefecture are completely dormant. Their leaves have fallen, their growth has stopped.
The bark condition of a shiitake log is critical. The mycelium of Lentinula edodes must penetrate through the bark to colonize the wood beneath. Freshly cut oak logs are not immediately inoculated with shiitake spawn. They rest in traditional crossed. Inoculating a single shiitake log requires drilling between 50 and 100 holes in the precise spiral pattern that ensures complete mycelium coverage of the log interior.
Shiitake spawn plugs are wooden dowels colonized with Lentinula edodes mycelium in a laboratory. The white mycelium coating is visible on each plug.
After insertion, each spawn plug is sealed with beeswax or a food-grade synthetic wax, applied hot from a small brush. Inoculated logs are moved into their growing position in the forest, elevated on wooden frames to prevent ground contact, arranged to receive dappled forest light. February. The inoculated logs are in position. The beeswax is set. Inside each log, the Lentinula edodes mycelium is bad.
Inside the oak log, Lentinula edodes mycelium grows at a rate of 1 to 2 millimeters per day through the wood.
The colonization progress of Lentinula inside a log is assessed by Japanese farmers through the bark scratch test.
Through spring and summer, the Lentinula edodes mycelium colonizes the log interior but does not fruit.
Trichoderma, a fast-growing green mold, is the primary enemy of shiitake log cultivation. It colonizes the same dead wood that Lentinulades targets. As autumn temperatures drop below 15 degrees Celsius in the Japanese mountain forests, colonized shiitake logs begin to fruit naturally, without any hammer strike.
An experienced Japanese shiitake farmer can assess the colonization level of a log by sound, tapping the log with a knife.
After 18 months, the transformation is complete. The oak log that was dark, dense, and heavy when felled is now pale, light.
You can feel the weight difference. After 18 months of the mycelium working inside, this log is significantly lighter.
The colonization is complete. The mycelium fills the log entirely, and now the farmer does something that his ancestors discovered 800 years ago. The Kikazuchi method, named for the Japanese god of thunder. Each strike sends a shock wave through the wood. A 2015 study revealed the precise biological mechanism. The mechanical vibration opens calcium ion channels in the hammer strike alone is not always sufficient to tread. The Lentinula edodes mycelium has no brain, but its response to the hammer strike is unambiguous. Five days after the hammer strike and water soak, a well-colonized log in an Oita Prefecture shiitake farm is transformed. Shiitake harvest requires a specific technique, a gentle clockwise twist that separates the mushroom from the mycelium at the base. After harvest, the same log is rested for 6 to 8 weeks, allowing the Lentinula edodes mycelium to rebuild its energy reserves from the remaining wood substrate. When a shiitake log is exhausted, when the Lentinula edodes has consumed all available wood substrate, it is returned to the forge. Fresh shiitake reaches its peak flavor within 24 hours. The gills should be pale cream, the cap firm, and the highest grade of Japanese log-cultivated shiitake is called donko, mushrooms that develop slowly in cold conditions. The distinctive aroma of shiitake comes from lenthionine, a sulfur-containing compound released when the mushroom cells are damaged. Drying shiitake in sunlight gill-side up for 2 to 3 days does more than preserve the mushroom. The UV radiation from sunlight triggers the conversion of ergosterol to us. The soaking water from dried Lentinula edodes shiitake is not to be discarded. It is dashi, one of Japan's fundamental cooking styles. Lentinode. Lentinin, a beta-glucan polysaccharide extracted from Lentinula edodes, is an approved pharmaceutical in Japan, used as an immune...
Modern indoor sawdust block cultivation produces shiitake in 60 to 90 days compared to 18 months for traditional log cultivation.
From a Kanara oak tree felled in January, to a spawn plug inoculated in February, to 18 months of invisible mycelium colonization.
Similes. The Lentinula edodes mycelium inside a shiitake log is a fragment of something much larger. In natural forest
Research published in Nature in 1997 and confirmed by dozens of subsequent studies has demonstrated that forest trees use
The 2015 Kyoto University study that explained the hammer technique's mechanism was published in PLOS One and became one of the most...
Commercial shiitake producers are now applying the mechanostimulation principle at scale, using mechanical vibration platforms that...
As Japanese consumers increasingly seek the superior flavor and bioactive compound concentration of traditional log...
The knowledge of when to hammer, how hard to strike, and how to read the mycelium colonization level. This knowledge is learned by...
Every shiitake mushroom produces between 10 million and 1 billion spores during its brief above-log life. Each...
An oak tree felled in January, a hammer strike 18 months later, and 48 hours after that, a mushroom that was nowhere